load any video in the storyboard and you will get the look like comics images. You will get your video in the format of storyboard. I just selected one video and this is processing. And when processing will done, yeah, it is. Now this is a storyboard. Just pull down and it will refresh and screenshot any image you like. Lolcat is very funny game. I don't need to say further about this game. You just download this from Play Store and start playing. You will very enjoy playing this game. This is a racing game and very smooth control of this game. Tap to start and just control the steering and win the game. You can see it is very smooth, and this is a boost. You will get the option of boost. Now here is tap on the boost to increase the speed of the vehicle. And you can see you can be in like this. There he is very happy, our driver, and just we won the game. If you played Subway Surfer, then you will absolutely like this game. It is look like that, but this is quite different from Subway. You don't only have to run, you have to run and shoot the enemies. And very nice designed game. Here are the enemies. Tap on the enemy to shoot it. Run and shoot, run and shoot. So its name is Run and Gun. And the cart is going ahead, which are providing coins to you, and if you will not, you will be shooted. So this is a very cool game. Try it and download. Canva is photo editor app. Here is a lot of templates in which you can edit and you can expand your creativity and easily can share with anyone with any app. So sign in with your Google account or Facebook. So here are 60,000, more than 60,000 templates available, and you can edit photos from here. So for posts for Instagram, this is a template. Tap on anyone and start edit. In this you can press on any element and you can edit with change fonts, colors or font size, and you can also insert other elements in this poster. So in this app here are a lot of ready-made templates available in which you can edit and expand your creativity. So you can insert text or images. So this is a nice editing app. This link is available in the description. Just try it, choose any category and start editing.